Hallo and welcome to German Lehrer, a premium way to learn Deutsch. In this lesson 19, we are going to learn about how to take a taxi in German. And together we will try to learn. When you are in any city, then the first query you should make is to get a taxi. To ask about this, you can say, where can I get a taxi? In German you can say, wo bekomme ich ein Taxi? Wo bekomme ich ein Taxi? Here, wo means where, bekomme means to get, ich means I, ein means a, and taxi is neuter here, das Taxi. So where can I get a taxi? Wo bekomme ich ein Taxi? It's better to write your address down and give it to the driver. And you can ask the driver like, can you drive me to this address? And in German, you could say, können Sie mich bitte zu dieser Adresse fahren? Können Sie mich bitte zu dieser Adresse fahren? Here können means can, Sie means formal you, mich means me, bitte means please, zu means to, diese this, Adresse, address, and fahren means to drive. Können Sie mich bitte zu dieser Adresse fahren? Can you drive me to this address? And point to be noted, here mich means me, which is the direct object of this sentence and accusative case. We will make a detailed video on this later. Please check video description. So, can you drive me to this address? Können Sie mich bitte zu dieser Adresse fahren? To go to city market, you can say, to the city market, please. To the city market, please. In German, zum Stadtmarkt, bitte. Zum Stadtmarkt, bitte. Here, zum means to. Stadtmarkt means city market, and bitte means please. Stadtmarkt means city market, is masculine, so der Stadtmarkt. To the city market, please. Zum Stadtmarkt, bitte. To go to any hotel, you may say, to the Hotel Königshof, please. In German, zum Hotel Königshof, bitte. Zum Hotel Königshof, bitte. So means to. Hotel Königshof is a name. It means Hotel Königshof. It's masculine, so der Hotel Königshof, and bitte means please. To the Hotel Königshof, please. Zum Hotel Königshof, bitte. To go to the airport. To the airport, please. Zum Flughafen, bitte. Zum Flughafen, bitte. Here, Flughafen means airport. It's masculine, so der Flughafen. To the airport, please. Zum Flughafen, bitte. And now we will learn about some directions. Directions are known as Richtungen. Richtungen. In German, left means links. Links. Right means rechts. Rechts. And straight means geradeaus. Geradeaus. Links. Rechts. Geradeaus. If you know the place you are going and want to give directions to the driver, then you could say as following. To the left here. In German, you could say, hier links abbiegen. Here links abbiegen. Here means here. Links left. And abbiegen to turn. Or more simply, you can say, hier links bitte. Hier links bitte, which is the exact translation of to the left here. To the left here. To the right here. Hier rechts abbiegen. Hier rechts abbiegen. Or more simply, you can say, Hier rechts bitte. Hier rechts bitte. To say, please go straight, you could say, geradeaus bitte. Geradeaus bitte. Please go straight. Geradeaus bitte. When you have arrived at the destination, to say it's here. Hier ist es. Hier ist es. Or you can more simply say stop. In German, stopp. Stopp. It's here. Hier ist es. Stop. Stop. And notes. Please practice more with someone and get used to it, and also try to remember the vocabulary shown. In our next video, in the city, you will learn about different locations in a city. Hope you all will be German Lehrer and watch our next video. Subscribe and inspire us. Tschüss.